Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing this super cute little treat box. Love these treat boxes. This is super quick and easy. I'm going to show you, well, I made it a little bit more time consuming putting the window in there, but hey, you know me, I love the windows in there, but look how cute it is. Anyway, this is the Sure Do Love You bundle. So the bundle comes with this stamp set right here, the Sure Do Love You stamp set. I love this one too. And then these are the framelits here, and they're called the Lots of Love box framelits. And this right here creates the box. So we're going to use that, and we're going to use this heart, and we're also going to use this banner right here. I think that's it for this project. I also use the stamp set on the last project that I did. I used this little Be Mine heart right here, and did I use it? No, I didn't. I was thinking about using the Just For You, but I didn't use that. Just the Be Mine heart. These are little conversation hearts. They're super cute. I have another project in mind for this little framelit right here, and so I'm going to share that at a later date. But today we're going to create this box right here. They're really quick and easy. If you don't put the window in, it's even quicker and easier. So let's go ahead and get started here. So what I did was I cut two pieces, and these are 5 by 7. So there's two pieces here, and we're going to just run this framelit on with both of these because you need two to make the box. You're going to need for matting another piece that's 4 3/4 by 2 3/4, and then a piece of window sheet, and this is 2 1/2 by 3. Alright, so first thing I want to do is stamp my sentiment, and that's because you're going to need a piece of scrap Whisper White too. I want to scrap the, I want to stamp the sentiment because I want to run it through the Big Shot at the same time. Well, I can't run it through the same time, but what I mean is at the, at the same time that I do the box. So we're going to go ahead and stamp it. I'm going to use Melon Mambo, and I love this Sure Do Love You banner because it's kind of distressed, but it's super pretty. I love it. So I'm just going to stamp that down here. But look at that. Is that not so pretty? I love it. Okay, so that's what we need for that. Oh, I was going to use Very Vanilla. I'm going to redo that on a Very Vanilla real quick. I grabbed the Whisper White I had sitting out here, but let's go ahead and do it in Very Vanilla because it coordinates better with this box. I thought I had everything out and ready, but you know how that goes. Alright, so I'm going to stamp it down here. And it really, Melon Mambo looks really pretty on the Very Vanilla too. So that's it right there. I'm going to use my scissors and just cut that out right there. And we're ready to run it through the Big Shot. Alright, so let me grab the Big Shot here. And we'll go ahead and just run this one through first, because the box takes up the whole platform. So we'll go ahead and do this one first. And I'm using my magnetic platform. This is where this comes in so handy. You can hear how it grabs that. I love the magnetic platform. The little pieces, when you cut those, sometimes they give you a little bit of trouble, but it's so worth it. Alright, so that one's done. So we have our little banner there. Look how cute. And then we are going to run the box through. And I'm running them both through at the same time, because it will cut both at the same time. Make sure that's even. And I'm going to run it through And then I'm going to run it back just to make sure. And then you need to hold on to that. And we're going to have to bring the big shut up just one more time for our little window. So there we go. We got both pieces there. Let me just set this aside because we need to mat it first. So everything on here is scored and everything is ready to go. So you see right here, all we have to do is fold on our score lines and we're ready to go. I want to mat the one, actually I should have cut two pieces and I only cut one. You want to make sure to score these really good so that box closes really well. When I first did it, I didn't, so that's how I know. So aren't you glad that I figure these things out before I show them to you? So okay, so I am going to need to cut. Did I tell you what designer series paper I used for this? It's the Painted with Love, and I used this on another one. It's this one, the specialty that has all the foil on it, and it's so pretty. One side has foil and the other side doesn't. So I need to just cut one more piece for the matting because I want to mat both sides. If you don't want to mat both sides, that's fine. You don't have to. But the matting piece is 4 3/4 by 2 3/4. So I already have that cut because I already cut one. Alright, so we have both sides. Let's go ahead and mat it. I really like to use the heavier, the fast fuse for this. And let's see, I need to remember something. These go on the opposite way. So one goes that way and one goes this way. So we need to mat it so that this is at the top. And then when we close it up, this one needs to go this way. So that's the front. Okay, so this is going to be my front piece right here. So let's bring up the big shot again. And we are going to cut our heart out. So just center that on there. And we're going to run that through. And we have our heart. Save your heart because you can use this either side for something else. And then we're going to grab the window sheet, and I'm going to use some glue dots on this one. So just put them all the way around. You can use fast fuse or your tear and tape. I just find this is very quick and it's easy for the video especially, and it holds it really well. So I usually put quite a few on. And you're going to set that over your heart. And now we're ready to put it together. So as I showed, this is going to be my front. So we are going to adhere this. And I like to adhere this going back. I just think it's a cleaner look. So we're going to put adhesive. I'm going to use the fast fuse here. I'll use your fast fuse or your tear and tape for this. Don't go all the way down to the end because that's your little flap. And we're going to attach these right here. So you see my hearts are all running the same direction. So if you have a pattern, remember to make sure it goes the same way. Now we need to put it on this side and again line this up. So you can see how quick and easy this box goes together. This box has a couple different uses. You want this straight. All right, let me tell you here in a minute. So then fold these down. I'm going to put a little bit fast fuse on here because this is the bottom. I don't want it to fall apart. So I'm gonna seal that bottom part closed. I think I need to stick my bone folder in there and make sure it's sealed down. And then these fold in, and then this will fold down. Let me stick some candy in there while I have it. I'm just using the Reese's Hearts. You can use any coordinating candy. It fits quite a few in here. I really like that about it. But this box, if you saw my haul, you saw that we have new note cards, and they are the narrow note cards and envelopes. This card is made to fit in this. Look how cute of a set that would be. And I'll probably do a set for this box because it's just too darn cute. And we have and it has the envelopes and the note cards. All right, so now we're ready to attach our Sure Do Love You, and I'm going to use dimensionals for this. So I'm just going to put one here. That one didn't have any backing on it. And one here. And you're going to set this one right over the little window in the center here. And look how cute that is, and look how quick and easy. This could be such a super cute gift friend, or even for the kids at school. Look how quick it would be. So that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. This is one of the best framelits. I really just love this box, how quick it goes together and how fun it is. And there's so many options to it, which I'll show you a couple later. So if you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop right from my blog. Don't forget, Celebration is going on. Our new catalog is live. And you want to catch all those goodies. They are awesome. And the freebies this year are amazing. So I hope you all have a blessed day, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.